how to create animated pictures using Photoshop CS5 extended. So in this case, what you want to do first is you would have all the pictures you want to use in an album. Creating animated pictures, the secret behind it is just the pictures, selecting all the pictures, adjusting or creating them, merging them together into one file that have the extension .gif. That's the extension I'm going to make it with. So I'm going to be creating it with CS5 extended. So what you want to do is launch your Photoshop. Let me close this. I'm going to open it later so you know where I open it from. Okay, go to your file and import the pictures you want to use to create the animation. So in this case, I'm going to be using all these funny DPs, like funny BBM icons. So select these also. Let me see, select this one also. So I have those 4 pictures. I'm gonna open it. So what you might want to do next, let the pictures load. So you move them all together onto the same background. After loading the pictures, let me see, this one is locked. Unlock the background. Okay, and also this, lock the background. Select my move tool here. So I'm going to be using this background. Select this one, enlarge it a little bit, then drag this picture. Hold down your shift key so that it can actually be with the same size. Drag to the center directly. Select this one also, hold down my shift key and then drag it to go right into the center. Same thing, hold down your shift key, drag this one also. So I don't need all this one anymore. I'll close them. Close it. Okay, so what do we have here? I have 4 layers, that is 4 pictures on this background. So the next thing you want to do is just go to Windows. From Windows, select animation. And in the case maybe you've not opened it before, you're going to have something like this. So don't worry, just come down here and select this little icon right, convert to frame animation. Just convert to frame animation. So you're going to have something like this. So what you need to do in order for you to create it, just select this little button right here and select this option, make frame from layers. So it's going to display all the frames you have on the layer. So just down right here, adjust the size and the time, display time, select this also, give everything the appropriate time depending on what you want, anytime you want to select, and change this one to forever so it keeps playing without stopping. So you might want to just preview what you've created. Just press the play key right here, so it's gonna be changing for you to see what you created. So that's not all. You might want to save it so that you can actually send it to your phone and see how it's gonna display. So what you want to do is go to files, save for web and device, then it will open another window when you can actually preview it. So like I said earlier, the format, the extension that you're going to be using to create it is GIF. So it's going to do that for you. Just you have GIF already. So the size 15.02 kilobytes. Don't touch any other settings. You have it. The picture is the size is square. You might want to increase it a little bit. Just put 200. So there you go. Increase the size a little bit. You might want to preview it. So it's going to be previewing it in the browser. So the default browser I'll be using for previewing it is Internet Explorer. So selecting the preview button will open Internet Explorer and preview it for you, so you see what you've done, the way it's gonna be playing, the way it's gonna be displaying. Okay, let's see. They need to also show you the properties like the size. Okay, here we go. You can see the format. The format is GIF. We have the dimension, that's the size. Both length and breadth is the same, the size and the setting also. So this is what you have. It's going to be changing like that, displaying. So the little secret behind it is just bringing pictures together and creating them into one file. So that's that about that. Just you might want to close this. Just select save from here. save it on the desktop, any name you want to save it with. In this case, cool bbm smiley. I said save. So this window will vanish. You can minimize, go to desktop, I have it here, right click and preview, open with Internet Explorer or any other program you have that can display animated pictures. So it will open and display, but this time it's not going to show you the properties. Okay, so there you go. The second one I might want to show you is let me see. I'll close this. Another one you can actually do with one pictures. I'll go back and open. In this case, let me use this funny picture. Okay, I open this picture, enlarge it a little bit, unlock the background, drag it down here to duplicate, or just press Ctrl J. If I undo now and press Ctrl J on my keywords, it's going to do the same thing. So this one I have here, I'll go to transform, see shortcut key transform, Ctrl T. So duplicate this one by turning it around, yeah, just like this, then apply it here. So you might want to preview it just by closing the eye and opening it. See, that's the way it's going to be displaying. So I already have this animation panel. If you don't have it, just go to Windows, Insert Animation. Okay, go to this little button here and select make frame from patterns. So you have the two pictures here. Select this one, give it 0.5 seconds. This one also 0.5 seconds, and play. You can see that's just the secret behind it, selecting multiple pictures and creating them into one file. So when you're done, just click that button there and then you can see the properties. So you might want to increase the size. If you don't want to just leave that part, then save whatever you want on the desktop, save. So you can go to your desktop and preview it. There's it, I have it here already. Open with Internet Explorer and it's gonna display for you. So that's about that. Thanks for watching. You might want to click that subscribe key and just give me a little like and leave a comment for any question or whatsoever. Thanks very much for watching.